Hi everyone, welcome back. If you want to transfer iCloud photo to Google Photo on your iPhone, how can you transfer? So don't worry, I will explain clearly for you girls. So what you need to do first is you need to download the Google Photo from the App Store. And you can also go through your Safari on your iPhone. So you can get Google Photo easily on your App Store and you need to download it first. Okay, so what do we need to do? So what we need to do next is trying to go ahead to your setting first because we need to check out our photos are already give access to iCloud or not. So click your profile icon here and scroll down until you see iCloud and try to check on your photo. So for me, I turn off my photo to sync to iCloud photo. So if you want to sync, just turning on the sync to iPhone. For me, it's not available because my storage are uh, not enough to change to iCloud photo. So if you see on your screen, if your storage is enough, you need to sync this iPhone first. So try to sync this iPhone and go back again to your Google Photos on your phone and try to sync. So let's open together this one. And what you need to do is just sign in your account with your Gmail or email as well. Okay, and just give the permission for all also the access in Google Photo. And the second next thing you need to do is at the top right corner you will be see your profile. So just click it and you need to backup. So under manage your Google account you will be able to see waiting for photo asset. So for me it's not available. So you need to turn on your backup photo because if you turn on your backup photo, also your photo from your gallery will be seen on your phone. And if you want to transfer your photo from iCloud, if you already seen to your iCloud on your setting, you will be able to do like that. So it's gonna sync for about some time. It's gonna take a lot based on your storage and you can just do on your own like this. And then just confirm to start the backup and you will be able to see now is backup it on and also your photos and video will be automatically backup on your Google Photo. So if you already connected with iCloud, it will also directly go with like this. So I hope this gonna help you a lot if you want to transfer your photo from iCloud to Google Photo. I recommend you to use like this. So that's all for today guys. Thank you and see you back.